class of Mondays. It's B. Today we're talking about chronological order, and sometimes it'll be referred to by the word sequencing. Sequencing near my actions. Sequencing, or chronological order, is when you tell a story in order. First, this happened. Next, this happened. Next, this happened. And so on. Chronological order is when you tell a story in order. First, this happened. Next, this happened. After that, this happened. And finally, this happened. Now, we have been working on a story together. Let's see if I can find it here. Yes, I can. Nice work. We're working with the little boy who cried wolf. Right? And yesterday I asked you to write what you think would happen next down here. And today we're going to reread the story, and then I'll give you another little assignment to go along with this story. And what we're doing is we're working with first, second, third, fourth, fifth, really chronological order of the events in the story. So if you have this paper here, I'll go ahead and read the story to you. Once upon a time in a mountain village, there was a boy who watched over the village's sheep. Being alone up in the hills was very boring. One day, the boy thought it would be funny to scare the villagers and scream, "Wolf, wolf!" The villagers grabbed whatever they could and ran up the hill to scare off the wolf. When they reached the top, they realized there was no wolf. They had been tricked by a mischievous boy. He laughed and laughed while the villagers walked angrily down the hill. On another day, the boy again called, "Wolf, wolf," tricking the villagers. They warned him that next time they would no longer believe him. The boy shrugged at the warning and laid down for a nap. Next page. One lazy afternoon, the boy heard a terrible sound. Before he could even prepare himself, a wolf appeared and chased the village's sheep. The boy screamed, "Wolf, wolf!" But having lied so many times, the people of the village just ignore him. With no one to help him fend off the wolf, the sheep all ran away, and the boy was left crying in the hill. Now, they're asking you what the moral of the story is, right? And the moral of the story is, what's the lesson? The lesson of the story. I don't want you to do that. You can if you want, but I really want this. I really want you to retell the story in order, in chronological order, or in the order sequence, the first sequence. Now, I want to see these words, right? I want to see maybe the word first, right? First. Right? First, this happened. And then you might use the word then. Or after that. Right? Then this happened. After that, this happened. You might even use the word next, right? Next, this happened. And you could use the word finally at the end. Whoops. Use the word finally at the very end, right? That's very sloppy. I don't like the way this pen writes. Okay, so you can go back over the story. You can listen to me reread the story to you, or read it yourself. And put those events in your own words in chronological order. That's a fairly simple assignment, but make sure you get them in order. It's very important to understand stories in chronological order. Kind of a short lesson today, everyone. But I hope you are staying safe, staying warm. It's cold outside, and we'll see you tomorrow. All right? Bye-bye.